In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Cubase project to MP3. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top left with your project ready to export, and you want to click on File, and then you want to go to Export and hover over it and click on Audio Mixdown. Now when you do this over here, as you can see, it's going to pop up the Audio Mixdown, and of course you can just go ahead and select the channel selection. You can go and select single or multiple over here. So in my case, I'm actually going to do single. I'm just going to select this stereo out over here, and then down here is the export range. So in case you haven't set this, make sure you do set this, because otherwise it won't actually export the correct part. So let me show you how to do this. Over here you can see you have like this drawing tool, so you're gonna have to go and select everything. So you have to select the entire thing. As you can see, these are the markers, marker in, marker out. Go and select the entire thing, because if you don't, it's not going to export your entire audio. So I'm gonna go back to File, Export, and then Mixdown, and there we go. As you can see, left and right locator positions are now changed to exactly what I put it to. Once you've done this, you then want to go to the right here. You can give it a name. You can select where you want to save this, and then of course kind of the preview and stuff like that. But then the most important thing is going to be your file type in file format. So if you are exporting MP3, you want to go and change this from WAV over here to MPEG-1 layer 3, okay? This is going to be MP3 essentially. So I'm going to click on that. And then there we go. As you can see, you can select your sample rate, your bit rate. You can export as different things here and select different settings as well. And once you are ready, you can just go and click on Export Audio down at the bottom right when all of these settings are correct. So just double check everything is as you want it to be. Hit the Export Audio, and your audio is going to be exported like this. And as you can see, there we go. That's really all there is to it. And you will notice that when you actually open up your folder, in there, there's going to be an MP3 file. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.